the additional resources, I want to make sure that I mention these because the additional resources are being added by a lot of the different publishers that they have, the things that might go along with books, or maybe it's even a series or a new book, whatever it might be. Over on the side, you'll see that you can narrow by free resources. So you can put that into as one of your requirements that you're narrowing it by. And I just did a search too. This is my new book, Sonia's Digital World, that I wrote with Capstone and ISTE last year. And I knew that our resources that we created were in Titlewave. And so I wanted to show you what this looked like when you're actually in a book, and you can see those and even download them just right from that record. And so it's really great because you can find so many things that either the authors or illustrators or published have created that go along then with these amazing books that you're ordering. And so that's really a great thing to do as you are just working on collection development and thinking about those things. Another great thing when you're collaborating with your teachers that will be helpful to them. And so look for that little free resources because it really is a great thing, a little great tool in Tidal Wave as well.